It's been 15 minutes. Make it a fine blend. Blend half of it.
Never really know what's going on.
Well guys, garlic butter chicken. Garlic is right here. These are the 2 whole bulbs of the garlic cloves. I have a whole stick of salt butter. We're gonna make the best whole chicken with the garlic butter recipe. All gonna enjoy this. I can promise you that. So this is our whole organic halal chicken, alhamdulillah. First of all, we know from our previous videos, we do make deeper cuts on our chicken. Let me wear some gloves. We're gonna make at least 5 to 6 cuts on our whole chicken, on each side. So I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be the 6th one. This is a whole chicken. Other side, we will follow the same rule. At least 6 deep cuts on the chicken. So you know what these deeper cuts do? All the seasoning, everything gets in there. And we'll make at least 6 to 8 cuts. Leave half inch of the space between the meats. It just helps the marination, I'm telling you. Make cuts on your chicken. So let's put this in our microwave. So our butter, the salted butter, which is plant-based butter, which is gonna be melted in under 2 minutes. So let's melt this first. So the whole stick of 40 ounce of plant-based salted butter has been melted in under 1 minute. These are all the ingredients, I've been telling you just because we need this. These are whole 2 bulbs right here. Okay, you add it right here, all of them. If it's 25 or 24, I counted them actually. These were like 25 of them. So this is all melted butter. Add the whole stick right here. Salt, at least 1 whole tablespoon of salt. We already have a salted butter, okay? So 1 whole tablespoon of salt. It goes all in here. What we will do, guys, listen to this, okay? Salted butter and a salt and 2 bulbs of garlic for the whole chicken. Blend it, Let me tell you this, make it a fine blend. As I told you, this is garlic butter chicken. So you have to make sure you have enough butter and you have enough garlic. This is our famous marination bowl. Put your whole chicken right here. This is our blended garlic butter. Just land. Trust me, when it cooks, it's gonna be even. Quantity and everything. Take a look here. It smells so good with the butter and the garlic. I mean, who is not a fan of the garlic butter? At this point, just massage this chicken. There is no meat softeners or meat tenderizer at this point. We don't need that. A recipe and the way we cook it, it's gonna do our job on a daily life. It's not something like you have to go out of the way and do it. As you guys saw, that melted some butter, I added 2 whole these guys of the garlic in here. I added some salt, and that's what it is. You massage the chicken all into deep cuts so you get all the flavors in there. If you have a Ninja Foodie grill, which I have it right here, you can set it for 30 minutes grill, which is a shorter version of the oven or a grill. I can cook this right there in our oven, or I can cook this right here. So I'm gonna look into 30 minutes, not even 40 minutes. It's gonna be the perfect recipe you will ever find. Garlic butter whole chicken. Once you set up this Ninja Foodie grill, I have a grill in here, I have set for the grill. I have set it for 30 minutes. This is the max time for this whole chicken, what we have marinated in front of you guys, just 3 ingredients and you're gonna rock the world. Turn it on. Garlic butter chicken, guys. Here it is. We are making in this Ninja Foodie grill. If you have this whole chicken marinated all the way at this point, put this in an oven right here, regular oven. at least for 45 minutes at least 400 to 450 degrees, and you have to just wait for 45 minutes. I'm making this in a Ninja Foodie grill. Here it is. It's all ready. Land it right here. Cover with the lid. Cook this chicken at least for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I'll flip the chicken and I'll show you how it looks like. It's been 15 minutes right here, okay? I'll open this up. We don't play around here. This is a whole recipe of a garlic butter. Close down our lid after flipping the whole chicken at least for 20 more minutes. 3, 2, 1. Here you go. It says end, and here it is, the end. Soft enough. This is our second breast of the chicken. Dried rosemary, thyme leaves. This is the best version of at your service, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, enjoy this video. This is the butter garlic chicken, whole chicken. Nobody has ever made this chicken on YouTube or any social platform. I have made for you guys the whole butter garlic chicken. Should I taste the leg or the thigh meat? You know, it's all fantastic. Let me taste this breast meat, okay? I'm taking the bottom part so I can have the real taste out of it. OMG, it's super hot. The garlic butter should be your next recipe. Alright, let's do this side. Right? Garlic butter. Anyway guys, subscribe the channel, like the video, share your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Let me enjoy this meal and I'll see you on the next one. Do make this recipe. Make this recipe, trust me. Butter garlic chicken. It's one of the best recipe you can ever make at your kitchen. Very easy, you know, 4 ingredients. Skip all other parts, just 4 ingredients and you can have this delicious soft chicken. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye for now. Thank you.